Good morning everyone, welcome back to the Serengeti. We have woken up in our tented camp and we got up at like 5:45 to watch the sunrise, and we got to listen to I need to go back in there, babe. We got to listen to zebra and lion and different monkeys and antelope, and it was incredible. Yeah, honeymoon day 4, Serengeti day 2. You ready?
So ready.
Someone wants to go to breakfast, I think.
Yes.
Let's go. Breakfast has been had. I didn't take my camera with me. In case any of you guys wonder why there might be other people in our Jeep this morning, 2 of the people who are going with the same company that we are, their Jeep broke down yesterday, so we brought them up here with us. And apparently this morning, our guide, he's great, he's lovely, English not the best. I think he said we're going to the central Serengeti and then we're going to the north. So while we do the central Serengeti, they're coming with us. And then someone else is going to pick them up, like they're going with someone else. And then me and Paul are going back on the safari we paid for is private. So we're going up to the north, just the 2 of us. I don't know how long they're going to spend with us. I don't know how it's going to work. But we'll see. You know, they're obviously in need. It could have happened to us. You know, our Jeep broke down twice. I'm very thankful that we didn't need to be in their position. But at the same time, it's our honeymoon. We've paid for a private luxury safari. I mean, they have too. It's just, I think it's just one of these things. You know, if a Jeep breaks down in the middle of the Serengeti, it's not like you can take it to a mechanic around the corner. So, it's annoying, but I get it.
there, up, upstairs. Yeah. That was easy for spotting. And that's a toppy. They've got a small.
Ooh. So we're staying here. Wow. That's good.
One.
Don't bump me, I'm zoomed.
Halo. Mambo.
Atende.
Staking out some cheetahs. Do you think they're gonna do anything? I think they will. Might be 6 hours from now. They're definitely looking for something.
Wafika wapi?
Ciao! What did you think about the cheetahs?
Pretty cool.
Yeah, that was so good. They came right next to our car. Like they went right in front of the car and then right next to the car. So, patience pays off. So now we're doing the same with a pair of lions. So we're going to see if they shift themselves at some point. She's awake.
Aje, uko sawa? Ah, mama. Muda mrefu tumbona. Hata tukilisha kwanza. Hata tukiweta kwanza ile wiki ile ilisha nyumbu ilikuwa mingi sana. Hello.
You can't come down now.
Salama. Salama kabisa. Wow.
Ooh.
mimi niko nazunguka baada ya kama masaa mawili sasa pata mahali kupata huduma ya hela.
He's mating. It says mating. He's cleaning his paws. Will we stay here for a bit then?
Yeah, we just keep waiting. Maybe we see even one shot.
Can we have lunch now then?
Ahead with some gate we stop.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and look where nothing's mating. Now prepare the camera. They take a time, a few times. Have a look there. Have a look there. Yeah, now it's mating. You will see they will turn. Not yet. Yeah. Continue. Not yet. Yani nani daw gazeli forbena. Biga man nani ngota nitatafuta Vodacom yangu imekufa hela. Kwa hiyo
She sneezed.
mimi kama mahali ya kutuma nitakutumia moja kwa moja kwenye simu yako. Sasa kwa baraka wakati huku mimi simu
we've come up to the north of the Serengeti towards the Mara River. We went out of the park to come back in, and about 10 minutes ago, before we got to the gate, we're at the gate now, a stone came up from the side of the road and absolutely shattered the window. So we had to quickly get like all of our bags out. It was pouring with rain as well, like it's still threatening. I might need to put my rain jacket on as well actually, because it's not exactly warm. But luckily we have like a blanket and stuff that was over our bags. All of our bags were closed. We were very lucky it was the back window. It wasn't the window either of us were sitting in, or the front window. So we were very, very lucky. But basically what our guide is going to do now is he is going to get rid of all the shattered glass and just put like a plastic bag over it. So yeah, but I might show you guys the wildebeest because there's a lot of them. They're all here for the Great Migration. We're going to try and catch them crossing the river. I don't know if you guys can see exactly how many of them there are down there, but as we were driving into the park, there's literally thousands. Like thousands and thousands and thousands of wildebeest. As expected, but it's pretty impressive to see.
He said he went to mechanic school and our guy.
Yeah, they're all very handy, I feel like. Prepared for anything. And they all help each other out, which is nice. Just went to the toilet, and is it really bad that I want to go down and see the wildebeest? I feel like there could maybe be a lion. Probably get shouted at, but they're just like right there. I just want to go down really quietly and just see them. Probably should. One thing I'll say about the restrooms, I think I already said it when we were in Lake Manyara, when the woman stole the toilet paper or took her own, I don't know. They're all very, very clean. Like this is a super remote like entrance to the Serengeti, like it's really, there's no one. And the toilets, they're basically like chemical toilets, but they're spotless. No smell, perfectly mopped floors, hand wash. I'm impressed with the cleanliness of everywhere we've been so far. No, it's okay. I'm just filming them running away. He's big. We've made it to the Mara River and Paul is very excited. We'll see if we see anything. This is it here. Looks just like it does on planet Earth. On all the wildlife documentaries we've seen, it looks just the same.
There's a big crocodile there, on stones there, in the middle of the river. See?
Yeah, I saw.
I don't see.
In the middle of the stones.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Yeah, he's huge.
That's very cool.
Okay, I've had a shower, collected my thoughts. I'm not happy. I'm probably, to anyone who loves camping, I'm about to sound like the most entitled, privileged, high maintenance person in the world.
I love camping.
I detest camping.
I love camping.
There's a reason. I've told my husband for 6 years that I will never go camping with him because he would not like to see the person I become when I camp. So when we knew we were coming to Tanzania, and I did book tented camps in the Serengeti because that's pretty much all you can get, I made sure they were all luxury. Like last night, you know, we had a clawfoot bathtub in the bathroom. Like, it was, if I was going to camp, that's what I'm going to do. We pull up here and it looks nothing like the picture. It's a tent. It's a 4-poster bed in a tent.
And we have a bathroom and everything.
Okay, we have a shower that we need to tell them to put the hot water on for.
Yes.
The toilet barely is any pressure.
Yes.
Like, just because there's the shittiest bathroom in the world inside the tent does not mean it's not a shitty tent.
When I go camping, I have just a bed in my tent.
When you go camping, you don't pay almost $6,000 for it, do you?
That's true, but you didn't pay that for this tent either.
Yeah, we paid it for the whole thing.
Yes.
So paying that amount of money for a luxury price point, I expect to get luxury. And everything else has been amazing. Everything else has lived up to expectations and more, but this, I'm disappointed with.
This is an intimate luxury mobile camp nested in the enclave raw.
Yeah, I would not call this luxury. Not when they've said to us, do not use any of the lights more than you need to. And you're only allowed to charge your cameras and phones between 6 and 9 because that's when we switch the generator on.
The tented camp offered luxury accommodation amidst the action of the migration crossing. That's half of it.
Yeah, it's great. We have wildlife just outside. Amazing. I still wouldn't say it's luxury. It's not even a luxury tent. Last night was a luxury tent. And I know I'm getting on my high horse, but this is our honeymoon and we have paid a fuck ton of money for this. And yeah, compared to everything else, I would expect if you're paying that amount of money, every night that you go somewhere, it should be on par. Like, it should be the same level across the board. And so far it has been. Arusha Planet Lodge, first night, stunning. Marera Mountain View Lodge, incredible. Matawi Tented Camp last night, stunning. This, not on the same level. So you cannot call this luxury when it's not on the same level as the other 3 luxury lodges and tented camps we've been in. That's all I'm going to say. But I'm going to fix my face before everyone else sees that I can't stand staying here. It's only one night and I'm going to stop because my battery's flashing and I only have 3 hours to charge you before tomorrow. Bye.